Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Golden Volunteer Portal app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Golden is a volunteering platform designed to connect individuals with non-profit organizations and causes in need of support. The app allows users to discover opportunities based on their interests, schedule shifts, track volunteer hours, and even earn certifications for their contributions. It also provides non-profits with tools to manage volunteers, communicate directly, and measure community impact in real time. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Golden for its clean design, ease of navigation, and wide range of opportunities across different causes. The ability to track hours and build a verified volunteering record is particularly useful for students and professionals seeking recognition for their service. Nonprofits also find it helpful for organizing group volunteering and reaching more supporters. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches with scheduling or notifications, and the availability of opportunities can vary depending on your location. For nonprofits, advanced features may require a paid plan, which could be limiting for smaller organizations. Additionally, in areas where partner nonprofits are scarce, the app may feel underutilized. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Golden app may be worth using if you're an individual or group looking to easily find, organize, and track volunteering opportunities. It shines in convenience, verified service records, and community connection. However, if you're in a region with fewer nonprofit partners or you're a small organization not ready to invest in premium tools, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.